everybody, welcome back. I'm back with another video for you today. We're going to be unboxing another Furls package. I'm really excited. So my swirl hooks finally came. I just want to go ahead and unbox those for you. These are really awesome because every single hook is unique, so I just want to see what mine looks like and you can compare what yours looks like. And yeah, we'll just get right into it. So I actually went ahead already and just opened the box real quick to save me some time. Don't want to show my address on here, but yeah, we'll get right into it. So here it is. Ooh. Love how they wrap these, by the way. They wrap them really nicely and really safe and securely, so that's exciting. I'm going to go ahead and take these out of the paper. Here's the boxes. Oh my god, so exciting. So I remember, if I'm correct, that I got the Aries hook, the Taurus, and Andromeda. So yeah, let's see what these look like. So it doesn't tell me the color or anything on the box, so I'll just go ahead and unbox it for everyone. Which one is this one? Oh my goodness. Can you guys see that? Hold on, I'm going to zoom you in. Can you guys see how beautiful this hook is? So this is a size 8. It is marvelous. Oh my goodness. It is so beautiful. I am obsessed with it. Oh my gosh. I am like obsessed with this hook. Like I don't even have a lot of size 8 projects to crochet, but like I might just crochet a bunch. This is gorgeous. Wow. All right. I'm just going to set that down really quick and we're going to get into the other one. Which one is this one? Ooh. Oh, it's Aries. Oh my goodness. These are all so gorgeous. I can't even. So this is a 6.5. Look at how beautiful this is. I don't even think you can like see how truly beautiful it is in the camera, but it is stunning. And yeah, again, this is a 6.5. I'm going to set this down. Let me actually do a close-up of the Andromeda hook. That's what the Andromeda hook looks like. Okay. And now my very last one, Taurus. Oh, it's so pretty. And this is a 7. These are freaking gorgeous. I am obsessed. Like, obsessed is not even... Look at that detail. Oh my goodness. And then there's my hook head. So I'm just going to show them again, all 3 of them. Oh, the Andromeda is by far my absolute favorite. This looks like a beach. Like just the prettiest beach. And the Aries is, oh, they're just both so pretty. I need more. I've come to the conclusion that I just need more. Look how gorgeous those are. Oh my gosh. That's what they look like there. So beautiful. Oh my gosh. Look at those. Wow. There's the back sides of them. So gorgeous. So gorgeous. And I have 2 more Furls hooks coming in, so I'll do my unboxing and some yarn of that. But yeah, that's everything for today.